I never had a doubt that I went into the wrong profession. I knew from the time I was this big that I wanted to be a physician. After I did my traditional medical training, I practiced for a little while, and then I did a 2-year integrative medicine fellowship. Once I really started implementing the things that I was learning with nutrition in my daily pediatric practice, I saw all of these chronic issues melting away. It was frustrating though, because I didn't have the time I needed to educate the families on nutrition. And it wasn't that long after residency that I had one of those punch in the gut moments. I was driving home from work and I thought, this is it. This is what I've trained all of these years to do, to run from room to room every 15 minutes to give medications. I decided to leave that practice, and it was one of the hardest decisions because, one, I was making more money than I ever thought I would be making, and two, what was I going to do? I started my own clinic, and I had to do a ton of letting go of what people thought, disappointing my patients, disappointing all of these other physicians, to truly honor my gifts and the way that I work. Because I think we can heal in so many different ways, and we can get our message across in so many different ways. It's using creativity to figure out, how do I make this into a viable business model? You know, now it's been 3 years, 3 of probably the best years of my life, because I really get to know the families. I spend an hour and a half at the first visit. I do group classes, horses online, and have done horse workshops with a friend of mine who works in natural horsemanship. So I'm doing things that I never, ever dreamt I would get to do. And if I had never been able or willing to take that risk and make that commitment to practice medicine in the way that served my soul, I wouldn't be getting all this joy from it.